officially underway. Wow, he counters that takedown attempt with a brilliantly executed sprawl. Good job in checking the kick. Thompson connects with a roundhouse. Shamrock scores with a right hook. There's a punch that scores. Oh, there's a nice right that lands to the body. Nice hook. Good job in blocking the takedown attempt. He catches him with a hook to the head. Shamrock moves in and secures the underhooks. Hits him with a solid left hand to the head. Devastating punch delivered, and he is in trouble. Shamrock got everything behind that soccer kick. He swept him all the way over. Shamrock throws a nice-looking right to the head. Thompson connects with that hook, shaking up his head. He slides to his left. Wow! Shot! And I can't believe... Oh, that's a great move. He saves himself with the over-under. He's trying to get his wrist back about it.
And that right there is the reason why you wear a mouth guard in MMA.
Oh, he throws a nice punch there. Beautifully executed right shot to the body. Ooh, nicely done as he parries that overhand punch. That one's stunning. They're not leaving much space here as we are being treated to some clinch work. These two are battling for position along the ropes. Thompson gets the kick from the
Power position, being postured above your opponent and punching down.
He's stacking them up, working in the closed guard. Shamrock scores with a right kick. Scores with the overhand. Shamrock lands a beautiful looking body shot. Thompson scores with a shot to the head. Nice looking hook delivered to the head. Scores with the overhand. Oh, he lands that foot perfectly. Nice job at avoiding that punch. He moves quickly to his right. Strength will play a big part in this clinch. He's stacking them up, working in the closed guard. He gets the tie clinch, and this could very well be the beginning of the end. Here we see him stacked up in the guard now. He's working from the guard, and he stacks him up.
That's a great position to be in if you're the top guy. If you're the bottom guy, you got to break him down or get ready to move your head.
Thompson is working hard to secure those double underhooks. He's working from the close guard, and Frankie's stacking him up right now.
Oh, he's stacking him up, and he's putting himself in the ultimate power position, being postured above your opponent and punching down.
Shamrock separates himself from the clinch.
That's it. Right to go.
With a lethal left hand. The guard was up in the overhand. Oh, he nails it. And down he goes. Down he goes. Oh, he's punishing him now. He is beating him into the ground.
The ref is on it. The ref is on it. He's going to stop this if he's not careful.
Well, this can't be good. He's offered up his back, and that's not a good sign, Frank.
Not a good sign at all, Morrow. That means he's accepting this position. This fight might be over.
The two athletes are jockeying for position along the ropes. Thompson corners the tie clinch, and you can expect him to pepper his opponent with knee strikes and even some elbows. He caught him in the body with that knee strike. Shamrock gives himself some breathing room as he backs away from the clinch.
Move left or move right. Not hard. Well done.
Oh, he caught him with that kick. Shamrock has been very effective in scoring with his knee strikes thus far in this fight. He delivers a nice-looking punch. Nice-looking hook delivered to the head. He moves to the left quickly. He lands a punch to the head. Denied on the overhand. Beautifully done. These two are getting up close and personal in the tie clinch. Thompson separates himself from the clinch. Nice roundhouse delivered. He sidesteps to the left. Ooh, nicely done as he parries that overhand punch. They're now in close quarters, and he's able to secure the double underhooks. From close quarters, he works for the tie clinch. Look for him to strike with elbows and knees. Thompson lands a right punch to the head.